Hi, everyone. Welcome to our open house this evening. My name is Hannah Kasten, and I am a math teacher here at Forston Junior Senior High School, and I am teaching in our resource math classes. I just wanted to share a little bit about myself and kind of what my classroom is like this year. I am in my 6th year of teaching. I have been so blessed to be here at Forston for the last 6 years, and I'm extremely excited for this year as well, just to kind of get back to a new sense of normal, as well as just building and working on new relationships with these kiddos and getting to meet you guys and to get to know your kids a whole lot more. I am a graduate from Clark University, and I have loved every minute of learning about teaching and being able to apply it now in my 6th year. I'm also the dance coach here at Forston, and I also am the drama director here as well. And I am so happy to be able to be back doing some of the stuff that I love. I do have a very busy schedule throughout the year, as you can tell with all of the fun things that I get to do, but teaching is my number one priority and my number one love. So I am just really excited to be doing a bunch of new activities and building on these kids' learning and just being able to explore and learn more together. I just wanted to share a little bit about all the things that are going to be happening in my classroom and kind of what we do on a daily basis. So every class that I teach, we have warm-ups every single day. It may be math related. It may be something that kind of ties into math, or sometimes we just need a break and we'll just do a warm up, just kind of getting to know you activities for a while, and then doing some riddles and puzzles and things like that. And it's just kind of a great way to start our day and to get our brains warmed up. Then every day we'll have either notes, work time, activities, projects, games, things like that, all related to the topics at hand. We are starting our first unit, and right now we're all kind of doing a review unit that'll help tie us into some of the newer things that we're going to be doing. Each student gets a binder when they come into my room, and that is where they keep everything throughout the school year. We keep it organized. It's a perfect place for the kids to keep their things in it so that they don't lose them. They have a basket in the classroom that they also can tie all their stuff into that as well, so they don't lose that. The binders do not go home unless they need them for studying purposes, but the kids are able to come in and grab their binders or take worksheets out of their binder to complete during their study halls and things like that. This is just a great system that I've used for a few years now, and the kids really like it, and I do too, because it keeps us all nice and organized. The kids will not have a ton of homework in my classroom. Most of the time it will be anywhere between 2 to 3 worksheets or questions or whatever we were discussing a week, most likely around the 2 range, because we will be able to do a lot of the in-class assignments together and get those done so that they don't have a whole lot of homework. I'm trying to do more projects this year, a few less tests and more projects that are going to be able to tie in with everything and kind of show you guys as well as myself what the kids are learning in a little bit more hands-on way than just the testing method. We will still be doing testing and things like that. It's just I would like to do more of a balance in my classroom. I do have a behavior system in my classroom as well. It's kind of our reward system, and the students work towards a bingo. And when they get a bingo, they get the reward that they choose. We draw popsicle sticks every day, and they can earn up to 3 popsicle sticks a day or 1, or sometimes if the class was having a really rough day, we have a discipline that we have to follow, and whatever else we didn't finish in class will be assigned as well for homework. The kids are allowed to come into my room at any point in time throughout the day when they need a little bit more assistance, if they have a study hall or if they're having a rough day. I love when the kids come in and just have a talk with me and kind of just talk about what's going on, and we can kind of work through things. I'm always available after school for about 20 minutes before I start my dance practices, and kids are welcome to stay and work on homework with me then. They're also welcome to come in before school as well. They just do need to contact me before they do that. Grades, I'm doing my best to keep them updated as much as possible. Like I said, I don't give out a lot of homework, so the grades don't change very often. Most of the time, it'll be the points that they get every week is their warm-ups. They get points automatically for doing them. If they are not completed or they are missing and they don't do a redo on them, they will lose points for that. But most of the time, that's going to be like they're given every single week. There will be assignments still given, but they won't be heavily weighted. That will change their score a ton throughout the week. But as they start to accumulate and get more and more, that's when we're going to start to see the differences. Um, there are a ton of stuff in my classroom. The kids can come in and use any resource that they want to. We've kind of gotten into the rhythm of different things, and they are having a blast, and I'm having a blast, and I'm really excited for this year. And I look forward to meeting with you all, whether that might be in person or through Zoom. And if you have any questions, please feel free to email me. I check my email almost daily. And I would be happy to answer any questions that you might have about what goes on in the classroom or about myself or kind of what I do with the students on a daily basis. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video, and I hope you all have a great rest of your day. Thank you. Bye.